Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying IBK Gizmo files are present and compatible with your Nuke version. Open your plate, set frame range and color space so normalizations stay consistent. This avoids unwanted shifts. Once done, create a constant or merge node as a clean background and insert the IBK Gizmo into the node tree between plate and background. You do this now to capture correct matte and sampling behavior. Make sure the gizmo is connected to the plate input and viewer so you can inspect early results immediately. Next, you tune the IBK parameters to get a clean key. Pick good sample points with the reference color picker and adjust tolerance to include fringe colors but exclude subject tones. Then change sample size and search radius. Larger values improve robustness at cost of speed, so you balance performance. Once comfortable, enable pre-filter or multi-pass options when dealing with grain or compression. This reduces noise in the background matte. Continuously scrub frames and iterate until edges and transparency look consistent across motion. Finish by refining the matte. Use shrink/grow, edge blur, and opacity to blend seams, and add a subtle light wrap and color match to integrate subject into the background. Once satisfied, merge with your final BG and render tests across the full frame range to ensure temporal stability. If you encounter artifacts or flicker, isolate failing frames, expand or relocate the sample zone, or increase pre-filtering. These steps usually fix edge breakups. If not, reset the gizmo and resample to capture cleaner background statistics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.